how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on cart page in Shopify. So I've just logged into my account here. From the left hand side, we want to click on online store, which will automatically take us to the themes page. Scroll down until you find your current theme here. Click on the three dots and then select edit default theme content. Now here we want to filter the items, so just search for taxes, discounts or discount, and you will see this taxes and shipping policy at checkout HTML. So basically what we want to do is just highlight this entire text here, delete it, and then add a space by pressing the space bar here, so it has one symbol in it, and then press save. Like I said, I just deleted it, I pressed space, and then I've saved it. So that's how you do it. Now you will no longer have this message on your checkout page. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.